Hi there. Let's go over the answers to the questions that I assigned. So question 1, the cooling caused by a wet blanket. That would be, oops, get my pen. That would be evaporation. Number 2, increase in size, and this is caused by heating. That's expand. Number 5, phase change involving no liquid. So right here, that is sublimation. Number 6, energy. Or number 8, energy from the sun. We haven't taken this one yet, so I'll give it to you. It is radiation. Another word for melting. Number 9. Another word for melting is F-R-E-E-Z-E, freeze, melt and freeze. The melting point and freezing point are the same. Number 10, cannot be compressed. So liquids and gases, or liquids and solids, cannot be compressed at all. Number 1 down, a drying puddle. A drying puddle would be evaporation. Also, maybe state not found on Earth, that's plasma. Happens when ice is heated. Number 5. Melting. Oh no, not big enough. Opposite of evaporate is condensation. So number 5 happens when ice is heated, and that's number 4. M-E-L-T-I-N-G, melting. Next. The graph below show the volume of mercury in a thermometer. So down here, which graph could be called a warming curve and why? This graph, graph Y, is not, but graph X is a warming curve because when you warm things up, the volume starts to increase, so it's increasing here. Which graph would be cooling? This one is a cooling graph because as you cool things over time, the volume gets smaller, so it's contracting. Which graph shows what happens as soon as a thermometer is placed in hot soup? And which graph shows what happens as this thermometer is placed in ice cream? This one, because it would cool down. You pour 100 mils of 50 degrees Celsius water into 200 mils of 10. So you got 2 beakers, 100 ml beaker and a 200 ml beaker. This one's at 50 degrees Celsius and this one's at 10 degrees Celsius. In which direction is thermal energy transferred? Well, if we mix them together, thermal energy always goes from hot to cold, so it goes in this direction. Which method of energy transfer occur? Not conduction, so probably convection, which we haven't taken. What happens to the temperature of the hot water and the temperature of the floor? Hot water cools down, cold water heats up. And if you leave the water for 24 hours in a room temperature